Hey friends, Lucien here with the Bullish Bears team. I wanted to welcome you to our community and to our courses. If you're new to the industry and to courses and trading in general, there's a lot. There's a lot of information that's out there, a lot of different trading styles, companies, and gurus. So I want to kind of take a couple moments just to kind of make things easier, show you how to navigate our courses and our website, and help you to get the most out of our trading courses and your experience on our website. So what you want to do is just take your login info that you receive from us and just log into our website, right? So as a free member, you're going to get access to all of our free courses right down over here. So you might be asking, where is the best place to start? Well, everybody's experience or trading experience is different. If you're brand new to trading and you're not sure much at all about trading or the stock market, then take our basic course up here, right? After you know the basics of the stock market, then you want to choose your trading style. Are you going to be a day trader, a swing trader, an options trader, a futures trader? Once you know what type of trading style that you want to get into, then you just pick the corresponding courses. So you can see we have a basic day trading course and an advanced day trading course. We have a swing trading course, and then we have two options courses here, and then also a futures trading course, right? And here's how simple it is to take our courses. Just click on the corresponding course. So if you click on the basic course, all you'll want to do is just kind of go down here and just click on the link, right? So you click on the link, you'll see the different topics right over here. Click on the corresponding link, and that just takes you through our courses. It's that simple, right? So what I want to stress though when you're taking our courses is, since there is a lot of information in them and it takes some time to learn, there's a lot of members that'll say, well, hey, listen, should I take your courses first and then upgrade to our membership, or should you do it together? Should you be a member as well as taking our courses? That's really up to you, but we suggest, based on, other members' experiences, is learning hands-on, with real world experience helps you to get the best results, right? So there's book information and then also real world experience. So if you really want to, it's all depending on your learning curve, right? If you want to go really slow and take your time, taking our free courses is great. But if you want to take that information, get it in the real world experience, and then kind of help overcome that learning curve, being a member of our community as well as taking our courses will help you speed up the process. And here is why. We have right up here our trade rooms. So we have three different trade rooms. We have a day trade room where we do penny stocks. We have a universal trade room where we do all different types of trading styles, swing trading, options. And then we also have futures. So we have all different types of trading styles. Now, what's nice is when you're taking our corresponding course, you can go into our live trade rooms and get real-time mentoring. That's the difference between us and a lot of the other companies and gurus out there, is we are not a chat room or stock pumping service. We teach you how to become a successful trader on your own. We want you around as a member forever, but most importantly though, we want you to become your own trader. We want to help to empower you with the skills necessary to become a successful trader. And the best way to do that is through real world experience and learning how to do it. So when you go into our trade rooms, and all of them, you get real-time mentoring, coaching, you can interact with other members, ask questions. So you can ask questions and talk to people real time. And that's a very rare experience in the industry, because most chat rooms and services, let's call it like it is. They're a chat room service that's pumping, right? They're pumping stocks. The guru that's pumping the stocks looks like the hero because they make money, but then their members are always chasing. And in the end, it's not the best experience. It's kind of a panic room, right? You're getting in, trying to follow the guru. You don't know what you're doing. You're trying to chase them. And it's just kind of a chaotic experience. And that's what you will not receive in our community. Is our community is not chaotic. It's very, kind of methodical. We teach you, we give you the skills necessary to become your own trader. So that's where, when you're taking our courses, you can come and learn along in our trade rooms. And the best way to learn real time is to use a paper trading account, right? Open a virtual account, come into our trade rooms, take our corresponding course and practice what you're learning in our courses and in our trade rooms real time using a virtual account, right? That's paper money. And then you start slowly scaling your way up with real money when you feel comfortable, right? So you take our courses, you're in our trade rooms, you can ask questions. Like I said, we have real-time mentors in there that are teaching the live. We're streaming live, so we're showing you the markets, real stocks. We're showing when we enter and exit trades many of times, how to put on trades. So again, it's a really great resource in our trade rooms to really learn how to put the information that you learn into our courses and kind of enact it real time. And then we also have right over here real-time trade alerts, which are our options alerts, as well as our trade alert setups. So we do real-time trade alerts with options that you can use as stocks, or you can trade shares of stocks instead of options. But if you're not an options trader, we do our trade alert setups, which are key entry and exit signals that you want to look for. And we do them on penny stocks as well as larger cap swing trades. So here's where you can come over here and practice trading our alerts real time in a paper trading account. So while you're learning and you're in our trade rooms, you can take our trade alerts in a paper account and get that real world experience. It speeds that learning curve up. Because if you take all the time and you're going through the courses, it could just be kind of, a lot of information. But seeing trades real time gets you skin in the game, and having skin in the game helps to really understand that real world experience with trading. And the beauty is you can do all this, our trade alerts and our trade rooms and our courses, using a virtual or paper trading account. You don't have to lose any money, right? So this is where, again, we find the best results with our members. The best feedback that we get is when they come into our room, they take our courses into our trade rooms, they practice real time, our alerts, they ask questions, they interact with other community members, and kind of gives them that real world experience. And then when you're ready to really take things to the next level, we have advanced training courses in our next level training library right over here. So after you've taken all of our trading courses, or whatever corresponding course that, again, you don't have to take all of them, right? If you're going to be a day trader, you don't necessarily need to learn options trading, right? Or if you want to be an options trader, you don't necessarily need to learn futures, right? So once you're going through the corresponding course, we have next level library. Now, this is the information that's our advanced training library, where we give you the soup to nuts, the golden nuggets, we call it, the secrets that a lot of the gurus and the trading companies will charge thousands of dollars in coaching fees. We don't have all that, guys. We don't charge, we don't price gouge people, and we're not giving you the hidden secrets and whacking you thousands of dollars. Our information's right here. It's right in our next level library. And as you can see, you kind of just pick the category. You'll see a whole golden nuggets section right over here. We're always adding to this section. Options, if you want to see options, look at all the different strategies. This is all of the next level content on how to take what you learn in our courses, and then you'll get that advanced training. And this is an exclusive library for our yearly members. So if you upgrade to our yearly membership, you just come right up here under members and click on next level training library. So this is just kind of an introductory video. Again, take our courses right up over here, and then you can subscribe. Once you're logged out, you'll be able to see a subscribe button right up over here. You can subscribe and you can try us out for 14 days on the monthly membership. So if you want to just join our trade rooms and practice our alerts over here, try us out for 14 days. If you want to take things to the next level and get access to pretty much all the membership content that we offer, all the secrets without getting whacked and price gouged, then you would just upgrade to our yearly membership. And again, you just log in, and all you need to do is go over to our rooms over here. Here's where you enter our trade rooms. Here's where you get access to our trade alerts. And then our next level training library is right over here. So we offer so much to our members. Again, if you really want to learn the stock market and put in the effort that it takes to become a good trader, we are the community for you. We are not a pump and dump service. We're basically, we want to take you and bring you into the community and teach you along the way how to become a successful and your own self-sufficient trader and not have to rely on some trading guru or company for the rest of your life. We want you to be able to do the skills learn the skills necessary to become your own trader. So hopefully this video helped you. We'd love to have you as a member. Just click the link below, the banner below, and we'll see you in our community. Enjoy.